Do you think the 2024 election will be an event? I do actually think it will be an event. And how do we prepare for that? We hedge, we get in cash, we do a lot of options trading so that we're in short-term trades that we can alter quickly if there's some major thing that happens. We are going to have a lot of angry people around the United States, angry at each other. And I think it's a good bet that it'll create some kind of an event. Is it still okay to bet on America? Buffett says it's still okay to bet on America. If you don't want to take it from me, I don't know where else to bet, you guys. I mean, I have a long career of investing in America, and we do buy stocks from other places in the world, but there's an old kind of, maybe it's wrong anymore, but I don't think it is. And that is that if America gets a cold, the rest of the world gets pneumonia. And the truth of that is that America is the major consumer in the world. If we stop buying their stuff, it's a real problem for everybody. So I really think betting on America is still probably a good idea. But the main thing is to bet where you have a lot of expertise. Remember that canyon? Keep it really narrow, get really focused. If you're in Europe or Asia or South America, you can focus on companies that are close in. If you can find those that are good, really good companies. And that's maybe an advantage America has. It has a lot of really good companies. Aiden, how many stocks of wonderful business should we diversify? 5, 15, 25, 50. Aiden, the truth is you're not going to have 50 great ideas. You're just not. People who are diversifying across 50 companies, even 25 companies, say 50 companies, it's because they don't really have good ideas. They're just going to pick the top 50 of anything they can think of. When sometimes you'll get 25 companies, you see Buffett's portfolio's got a lot of companies in it because they buy the companies and don't sell them ever. And then they have additional cash come in. So he's got 150 billion in cash right now. He's not selling anything much. And so he's going to end up, when it's time for him to invest his cash, he's going to end up with a bunch more companies. And then you end up with 25. Okay, that's the right way to get more than 10. But I would say 5 to 10 is plenty to keep track of. And as a novice investor, I'd focus more on 5, frankly. And in fact, I would focus on 1. Just get one that you really understand for starters.